Meaning of death squad.
Death squad.
Death squad.
Death squad.
Death squad. The term death squad refers to a group of individuals, often associated with a government or political organization, who are responsible for carrying out extrajudicial killings or assassinations. These killings are often politically motivated, and the targets may be perceived as threats to the group's power or ideology. The actions of death squads often result in widespread fear, violence, and human rights abuses, with little to no accountability or legal consequences for those responsible. The use of death squads is widely condemned by human rights organizations and is considered a violation of international law.